Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, I like to showcase the automotive culture and the positive impact it has on its community. On today's episode, we are continuing on with the RX-7 build. I'm gonna reveal to you guys the wheels that I'm gonna go to and the tires. All right, so the wheels that I chose were the Kansei KNP model wheels. These are 18 by 10.5 square setup. You guys know that the RX-7 is Montego blue, so I chose a nice bronze finish. Let's open these up, and here is the wheel. Some of the accessories that I went with for this wheel setup, obviously it comes with the regular bronze center caps. I opted for the black gloss with gold center caps. I opted for the black valve stems and the matte black conical lugs. So I'm really happy with these wheels. You know, they're fairly economical. They're going to be much wider, which is what I needed with the sticky setup. The wheels and tire setup on the RX-7 right now, the 18 LMs with some like no-name brand tires, is not going to hold up to the power that we're trying to put down. But overall, really happy. The reviews were good. These are the Regelmeister replicas, essentially. So really wanted the satin finish. Hopefully the video shows a little bit of the, the details and the nice satin finish of these wheels. But really excited, really happy with this wheel setup. I got these on Black Friday, and so if I was to give any suggestion, definitely get them on a Black Friday deal, stacked on top with some of their coupons. You can really get a killer deal. I think the whole setup itself was under $1,000. So I'll make some money with selling the LMs, and I'm okay with that. These are my track wheels. So I have the track wheels, and then I also have some welds that the car came with, some skinny fronts, which I'm still kind of sketchy on using, and then drag radial rears. I have that set up. I am going to the track this weekend. Hopefully we'll take the RX-7 out there if nothing breaks. Otherwise, we'll have to take the slow car. So the tires that I'm going with to mate up with these are the Falken RT660s. Those are currently at DRSC right now. I'm gonna head over there right now to drop these wheels off. And then they're gonna get them mounted, balanced, the car aligned, and then get ready for the dyno tomorrow night. Yeah, let's get these over and get these mounted. So just like that, dropped off the wheels. We'll come back, probably be on the car. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. I know it's a busy week. This week, to put it in perspective, is Power Cruise week. If you guys haven't seen any of my other videos about Power Cruise, it's a big roll race, essentially event. Our local international speedway here in Brainerd, Minnesota, and these performance shops, man, they get tested. Obviously, they have impatient customers, antsy customers, and last minute customers, right? I mean, they throw a lot at them, this week. Busy couple weeks. Shout out to everybody who has a performance shop during this week. Next stop is seeing the car at the dyno. So I'll see you guys there.